There's a couple of videos how we turn this laundry room into a kitchenette. The last one we did was on concrete countertops. This one's on the tile backsplash. One thing you got to know about a tile backsplash in this pattern, if you're going to put it in this pattern, start at a 45-degree angle. Get a line so you can reference this line at 45 degrees, and that's where you're going to go off to base the entire wall. You can do a herringbone just at 90 degrees to the countertop, and that'll be fine too. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And stay tuned, I'm going to make this into a playlist, this whole kitchen remodel thing, so you can take all the steps and do them yourself. Thanks for watching.